how to make 3D animated kids videos with AI. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at Gravity Writes, and we're going to be using it to create 3D animated kids videos. So let's get into it. And we're going to be taking a look at different softwares as well. This one, we're going to be using it to write our story. We're going to go ahead and start for free over here. Click on it, click on sign in with Google, and over here, what's your business about? So we're just simply going to go ahead and click over here and click on continue, and we are good to go. Now it's going to ask us what's your brand, voice, and color. So over here, we're going to go with formal versus informal, right? So since this is a kid story, we'll go with informal. Click on complete, and we are good to go. So here you can see we have a bunch of different options. We can use the AI blogger, image generator, text humanizer, AI website builder as well. Now here, we want to go ahead and search over here, kids. We're going to search for kids over here, type in kids, and we can see we have all these different options. We got kid video scripts, kid storybook content, 3D animated kid story idea generator, kid storybook, all of that. We're going to select the 3D animator, and here we're going to go ahead and generate ideas. So here, just enter in the theme or one-line sentence. So here, you can go ahead and lay out a whole story. So I'm going to go ahead and type, it's going to be a fantasy about. So I'm going to write that and then click on create content, right? So here you can see we've got all these different ideas that are popping up over here. We can go ahead and select whichever one you want. So it's a fantasy about a boy whose dream is to become a good-natured pirate and be the freest man on the planet. So we can see over here, Pirate Code of Kindness, Mermaids. I don't really like this one. The Pirate Parade or the Great Sea Race. Okay, so this one actually looks pretty nice. Finn enters a whimsical sea race against mischievous pirate rivals. Along the way, he must outsmart them, must use cleverness and teamwork, showing that friendship can triumph competition. This one actually pretty cool. The Enchanted Compass. Nah, I think this one is actually good. All right, next, go ahead and click on search and search for story maker, kid storybook, or something like this. So here we got story maker. We're going to use this one. Here, what's the main concept of your story? Over here, just paste that over here. And which genre does your story belong to? I would say it's more along the lines of fantasy. And over here, we just simply go ahead and click on create content. And once it's done, we should be good to go. But it's going to be expensive. We got to go ahead and buy and purchase one of the plans. So, but instead of that, we are going to be taking a look at this one, right? So here, what do you want to write about? What do you want your story to be about? Here, we can even go ahead and select other ChatGPT models as well. So we can even go ahead and select advanced option. We can add character details, story length, genre, setting and atmosphere, format, audience, age, and as well. So here we just want to add the prompt that we copied from there. And if you want to change anything, we can go ahead and change it. Here, I want to add characters. We'll go with Finn. Finn is the main character. All right, so after adding everything else, the characters, the story length, the adventures, the narrative and everything, we can go ahead and click on write. All right, it took a little while, but it's now done. So over here, you can see it's a pretty long story, and I would say it's a pretty decent, I would need to read this, but it is approximately 1500 words long. Model speed was 10. We use ChatGPT, and I think it looks pretty nice. It's a pretty long story, but yeah, this looks good. We can even change it to episodical, like for example over here, epistolary, multiple perspective, interactive. We can change a bunch of stuff, right? We can go ahead and now say that this was the first half, then we can go with the second half. We can create multiple stories, but yeah, once this looks good, we should be good to go. Now we can just copy it and we should move on. Next, we can come back over here and we can go with Gravity Writes, and over here, go ahead and search for 3D animated text to video prompts. Add the story over here, enter your character summary, and then select a number of shots per each scene, and then you can go ahead and select this option right here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it out. The title, I already have it right here, right? So I'm going to copy that, paste that over here, and the story is going to be over here. I'll just copy everything. I don't know how much I can copy, but I'll try and see if I can copy this whole story. Come back over here, paste it. I think it did, and then enter the characters and summaries. So here I'll just copy the character details I had over here, paste that there, and then select a number of scenes. I'll just go ahead and say 2 or maybe even 3, and then click on save and continue. And then we can go with the prompt generator right here, and we can generate our content. But yeah, then we can go ahead and go with this one, or we can go with script generator as well, and it totally depends on you. So this is not free, but you don't need to go ahead and purchase the plan, but it is what it is. But we can also use AI animation generation of InVideo, right? NVIDIA also has an AI generator. We can use this to create our story right here. So now we already have the story. Now we have the characters. Now we can just simply go ahead and bypass this scene generator, right? Instead of this scene, we can go ahead and add our own scene using InVideo. So we should be good to go. You can see right here, AI animation generation for content generation, for animated videos, for marketing, business animated videos. Here we got a bunch of different options. So we can go with this one. There should be also an option to go ahead and create. This is the AI video generator right here. We can click on create now, and we can go ahead and scene by scene create our video. And InVideo is also pretty cool software. It's free as well, so you won't have to worry about that, giving you like prompts that, you know, gotta upgrade your account or you've reached your limit or stuff like that. Pretty cool. But yeah, we'll go ahead and say, let's go with this one section, right? Let's say that this is the section that we want to edit. We'll go with 3.0, yeah. Give the topic and the premise and the details in any language. So let's go with, this is going to be the topic, right? And we can go with create a short video or create an animated film. And here we can type our topic. We already did that. Let me just go ahead and do that. This is going to be the topic. Only generate clips or only generate image. Totally depends on you. We can add this option right here. Create a 1 minute long YouTube story or TikTok. We can go with whatever, right? And let's click on continue, and yeah, click on generate video. This is just an example, of course. And next you can go ahead and click on the audience. I'll go with kids, background bright, platform YouTube. Yeah, I think this is okay. And then we can click over here and we can go with the stock videos for free, just as an example. But yeah, I think we should be good to go. But of course, if we do want the best results, we would need to go ahead and create or actually purchase one of the plans, either with InVideo or Gravity Rights. I would go with Gravity Rights, but over here it is a little bit expensive, I would say. But you can see right here, 1,000 words per month, single device, AI image generate creation. None of those are available. Those are available for the starter plan. Single device, 75,000 words, AI website builder standard 100. All of those are going to be available over here for $90 per month. So it is going to take a little bit of a while. So let's just wait. And this is how it looks like. It's kind of okay, not too crazy, because it is using stock videos instead of really animating it, but it is what it is. But again, as I said, if you really want the full experience, you will have to go ahead and purchase the plan, and that is going to be $19 per month. So if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works, we post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.